Right. Now, good morning, guys. In previous classes already we are going. Previous classes already we are discussed the topics are nothing but what are the topics is now coming to here we have JEE 2022 batch. You are going to study JEE and successfully you are promoted from first year to second year. Now today topic is on three-dimensional geometry or 3D geometry. Three-dimensional geometry or 3D geometry. Today we are going to discuss problems on 3D geometry. Now in 3D geometry consists and also three chapters. What are the three chapters? Is nothing but plane and 3D geometry and the DCs and DRs. Planes, 3D geometry and DCs and DRs. Three chapters we say that three-dimensional geometry. Now here formula to getting or crack the each problem in mains. When you are going to face the or when you are going to write the mains exam, we have to understand the question first of all. That means we have to crack the question. Then after we split the questions into parts. We split the question into parts. Okay. After splitting the parts, we have to separate each one what they are given. What they are given, how to we solve. Okay. Now here, for example, we have a question that is the plane passing through the point 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and parallel to the line 2x equal to 3y and z equal to 1 and also passes through the point. Now which is our question? Now they are clearly mentioning the plane is passing through the points. The one plane we have, the plane is passing through the 2 points and parallel to the line 2x is equal to 3y and z equal to 1 and passes through the point. Which point the required plane which passes through the point we have to find out in these four options. Okay. Now that is the required plane. So that is the required plane ax plus by plus cz plus b equal to 0. The required plane is ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. This is say some equation 1. So if the plane passing through the 2 points, the what are the points is 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. We have to substitute in that equation 1. So we get that is a plus 2b plus c plus d equal to 0 and next one is 2a plus b plus 2c plus d equal to 0. Now this is say some equation a and this is say some equation b. So we get a and b equation. By solving a and b equation we get a minus b plus c equal to 0. By solving one a and b we get a minus b plus c equal to 0. So which is say some equation C. Which is say some equation C. Now also they are given, what they are given is nothing but the plane parallel to the line. They are given one line. So we have to write down the line dy, that is by interchanging the coefficient x by 3 equal to and y by 2 equal to z minus 1 by 0. They are given z equal to 1. From here z minus 1 equal to 0 we have to get it. And forming the plane equation, that is 3a plus 2b plus 0 into c equal to 0 and c equation is a minus b plus c equal to 0. A minus b plus c equal to 0. Though by doing the calculations we get that. So that is a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. So by doing the solvation of these two equations, a equal to -2 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. Now substitute these values now in each equation. So we get the, as usually, d value. So substitute the values in this equation. When you are going to substitute in this equation, so that is -2 plus 2 into 3 are 6 and is 5 plus b equal to 0. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 2, 9 plus 9. Now when we get the g value is -9. So d value is nothing but -9. So that is g equal to -9. Now the required plane. So the required plane is -2x plus 3y plus 5z minus 9 equal to 0. So which is our required plane equation. So by substituting these 4 points in this equation, where we get the 0, where we get the value 0, so that point will be satisfied this plane equation and it is be passes through this point. So his option is nothing but A. So option is A. When you are going to substitute here 4 and here 5, 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So the answer is option A. So when you are going to substitute in the equation, we get the answer. Okay.